Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of this session, let us see how exactly we can read the data from a CSV file. Ideally, CSV means it's a comma separated value. So where you will be maintaining the data in the form of a comma separated values and you will be reading the data and utilizing it in a program. For which I have created a CSV file testdata.csv where I have just given a username and a password and I have given Suren1234 and Ramya234 as a data, two rows of data, two sets of data in this particular CSV file. And as per your wish, you can create any CSV file and you can maintain the data in that particular CSV file. In order to read this information, I have created a sample program, and this sample program does contains this information, which is this import, and it does has the basic details out over there. Okay, perfectly all right. So the next and a most important thing that we need to consider here is we need to install this CSV parse, which is used in order to read the data from that particular file. So copy this command. Okay, copy this command, come back, pull the terminal and just place this particular command there. So here it installed this particular package to cross check in the package JSON. See, basically you do have this CSV parse. Perfectly all right. It installed everything. Now, what we need to do here is we need to deal with the various files, the CSV file and other chunks. So here we need to import the file system that will be interacting with the various files. So here import fs from fs. So basically what it's gonna does, as said, that it's gonna interact with the various file systems, and perfectly all right. And now from the imported CSV, for the installed CSV parse, we need to import this particular parse from, okay, so from CSV parse and precisely the sync module. Okay, precisely the sync module. Perfectly all right. So I have just imported the desired things. Now, the most important thing here is we need to use a parse in which you need to specify the read file sync, basically, in which we will be specifying where exactly our file is. So here I'm creating an instance to this particular parse, and here fs dot read file in sync, and where you need to specify the file location. Okay, where you need to specify the file location. So right click on a test data and copy the relative path, and again come back to the program, just update it. Perfectly all right. And here we need to pass on the two most important things. The first one is a column, and the second one is a skip empty lines. In general, whenever you are updating the data, if at all any empty lines are there, it will not consider those lines. It will be ignoring those lines. And the next one out over there is a columns as a true. You will be defining columns as a true. What is the significance of this columns as a true means, basically it will ensure that, okay, it will ensure that the first row whatever you have in the CSV file is used as a key for all the data present in that particular file, or all the objects are present in that particular file. Perfectly all right. And here skipped empty lines, and even this value also I'm marking it as a true itself, guys. Okay, I'm marking it as a true. Perfectly all right. I have created a basic program, and here whichever the program is there, let me comment it out. Okay, let me comment it out. And here this complete parse, I'm storing it as a data is equal to. And here what I'm gonna do right now is console.log, and that data I'm trying to print. So I just want to cross check whether it is retrieving that CSV data and whether it is printing that CSV data or not. So when I run this particular program, it's trying to execute that particular program, and if you see, it is returning a array of objects. It is returning the data in the form of array of an objects. Okay, perfectly all right. Array of objects, the data is being retrieved. And in the next session, we will see how exactly we can use these multiple rows of data within this program, and how exactly we can utilize it in order to perform the data-driven testing will be studied as part of our next session. Okay, thank you very much. See you again in the next lecture. Bye-bye.